this video, you will learn how to use the Set Secure Text keyword in Avo Assure to automate the process of entering a secured input value such as login credentials in chosen text boxes in the SAP application when automating SAP. Start by adding the first step in the Design Test Steps screen. For this, select username_txt box as the element name, and set text as the keyword. Type in ACAP1 in the input field to enter this input text in the username text box. For the second test step, select password_txt box as element name, and set secure text as keyword. Type in or paste the encrypted text in the input field to be entered as the secure text in the password field. Next, add in one more test step by selecting it SAP as element name, and toolbar button as the keyword to click the instructed toolbar button on the SAP page. Type in Enter in the input field to automate clicking the Enter button from the toolbar. Once done, click Save the designed test steps. Now, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps and fill in the login credentials and auto-hit the Enter button to move to the next page in the SAP application.